Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Vella Kurnia Fatma. You can call me Vella. I'm from class TE1B, Politeknik of Semarang. I'm standing here to show you how to use a digital multimeter. Do you know what is the digital multimeter? Let's check it. Okay. It is a digital multimeter. A multimeter, also called a voltmeter or VOM, is a device that measures resistance, voltage, and current in electronic circuit. Some also test diode and continuity. Multimeter are small, lightweight, and battery operated. It is battery operated from a digital multimeter, and they can test a wide variety of electronic components in many situations, making them indispensable for anyone who needs to test and repair electronic circuits. Plug your battery and touch the tip of the black probe to part negative from battery, and then the black probe to switch to positive part in the battery. After that, you can twist the selector knob to set the multimeter to on. And then read the display from a multimeter digital. This value voltage is 0 volt from a battery. After that, whenever you know this value voltage from battery, you can twist the selector knob to on for that's all. It's how used to digital multimeter for measure voltage from battery. The measurements in the multimeter has several types of error. That is common error. Example: use that is not suitable and false judgment. And then incorrect setting of the multimeter digital. And solution for that is before using a measuring instrument, you should make adjustment first. And the measuring second, systematic error. Errors that occur due to lack of instruments. Systematic errors are caused by two factors: mesh or wear environment that influences on instruments. Solution for that: select the right instrument using a correction factor and calibrate it with a standard instrument. Okay, that's all from me about a digital multimeter. and how to use digital multimeter for measure voltage. I hope you know all about my description of digital multimeter. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.